Across countless households, a silent struggle unfolds. The relentless pressure of rising living costs and escalating mortgage payments. For many, the dream of homeownership feels more like a heavy burden as the financial tightrope walk becomes increasingly precarious, casting a long shadow over their aspirations. Each day, the headlines scream about an unpredictable real estate market, leaving buyers and investors alike grappling with uncertainty. From interest rate hikes to fluctuating property values, the constant barrage of housing market news paints a complex and often contradictory picture, making informed decisions feel nearly impossible. At the heart of this turmoil lies a stark truth: a profound housing affordability crisis. Homes are not merely assets. They are fundamental necessities. Yet for a growing segment of the population, the cost of entry has become an insurmountable barrier. This isn't just about high prices. It's about a systemic challenge impacting generations. But amidst the apprehension, opportunity awaits those who dare to think differently. Navigating this landscape demands more than intuition. It requires a meticulous real estate strategy. Successful investors aren't just reacting to trends. They're anticipating them, meticulously planning every move to carve out a winning path. For many hopeful homeowners, the first step into the market begins with a critical mortgage consultation. It's a journey through complex terms and shifting rates, where expert guidance is paramount to understanding what is truly affordable and how to secure a sustainable path to home ownership. A simple glance at an interest rate chart reveals the profound impact central bank policies have on monthly housing costs. These fluctuating lines dictate the gateway to homeownership, turning what might have been affordable last year into an impossible dream today, reshaping buyer behavior overnight. The visible effects are widespread: an acute affordable housing shortage. Imagine walking into a store and seeing empty shelves. That's the reality for many trying to find a home they can actually afford. This scarcity drives intense competition and further inflates prices, pushing the dream of stable housing further out of reach. This shortage hits hardest for the first-time home buyer, who often faces a daunting gauntlet of high prices, stiff competition, and rising interest rates. Their journey is less about finding the perfect home and more about simply finding any home within their means, navigating a landscape designed to favor the established. Underpinning these struggles is a widening housing income disparity. We see vibrant, affluent communities existing side by side with areas of profound scarcity and underdeveloped infrastructure. This visual contrast isn't just an aesthetic observation. It's a stark indicator of systemic inequalities, where economic advantage dictates access to safe, quality housing, shaping futures and reinforcing cycles of wealth or struggle. Today's market is defined by a persistently low housing inventory, leaving prospective buyers scrolling through online listings with little hope. The scarcity fuels frustration, driving buyers to compromise or abandon their search altogether, as the dwindling supply means fewer choices and higher stakes. To alleviate this crunch, new residential construction is ramping up in many areas, but it's a slow and complex process. New developments promise future supply, yet they often face hurdles from zoning restrictions to labor shortages, struggling to keep pace with relentless demand. In this environment of scarcity, a fierce real estate bidding war has become the norm, particularly in desirable locations. Buyers find themselves in intense competition, pushing prices far above asking as they vie for limited properties, often making rapid, emotionally charged decisions to secure a home. Addressing these challenges requires foresight and coordinated effort, epitomized by effective urban development planning. This isn't just about building more homes. It's about strategically envisioning entire communities. It involves complex considerations, from infrastructure and transportation to green spaces and public services, ensuring that growth is not just rapid, but also sustainable and equitable for future generations. Ultimately, analyzing the housing supply chart is paramount for both policymakers and individual investors. This data offers a clear snapshot of market health, revealing trends in available properties and helping us forecast where the next imbalances might emerge, guiding our strategic decisions in a volatile environment. Amidst market volatility, successful navigation often begins with robust investor discussion. Seasoned professionals and aspiring entrepreneurs gather, dissecting data, sharing insights, and debating potential scenarios, recognizing that collective intelligence can illuminate hidden opportunities and mitigate risk in an uncertain market. Every move in real estate culminates in a critical investment decision. This isn't just about numbers, it's a careful balance of risk tolerance, market understanding, and a vision for long-term growth. Choosing wisely requires discipline, foresight, and a clear alignment with one's financial objective. Beyond the raw data lies the elusive factor of market sentiment, the collective mood of buyers and sellers. Fear can trigger panic, while irrational exuberance can inflate bubbles. Understanding this emotional undercurrent is vital, as it often dictates short-term price movements and can either create or destroy opportunities, shaping the very psychology of the market. True success in today's landscape demands strategic real estate investing, a game of chess, not checkers. This means looking beyond obvious opportunities, anticipating market shifts, and making calculated moves that position your portfolio for long-term resilience and exceptional growth. It's about playing the long game with intelligence and precision, turning every challenge into a stepping stone for future gain. The seismic shift towards remote work has fundamentally altered what people seek in a home. The traditional commute is less relevant, replaced by a demand for spaces that seamlessly integrate professional and personal life. The new frontier is the remote work home, a sanctuary that doubles as a productivity hub, transforming interior design and neighborhood appeal. This phenomenon has triggered significant demographic migration patterns. As populations redistribute across region, people are moving away from congested urban centers, seeking more space and affordability in quieter locales. Understanding these movements is crucial as they redefine the hotspots for both residential demand and investment potential across the country. The result is an accelerating trend of suburban development. These once quiet communities are now experiencing unprecedented growth, with new homes, schools, and amenities blossoming to accommodate the influx of remote workers and families. This expansion reshapes local economies and creates new investment opportunities. Even further afield, exurban growth signifies a radical shift in desired living environments. These semi-rural areas, once considered too remote, are becoming prime locations for those prioritizing space, nature, and a slower pace of life, creating entirely new markets on the fringes of metropolitan influence. This reimagining of home extends the reach of real estate development into previously untapped territories. Crucially, the dedicated home office property is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for many. This shift demands new considerations in home design and valuation, as buyers prioritize functional, inspiring workspaces. Properties offering well-designed, quiet areas for remote work are commanding a premium, influencing renovation trends and architectural plans across the nation. As environmental awareness grows, residential solar panels are transforming rooftops into power plants. Homeowners are increasingly prioritizing energy independence and reduced utility bills, making solar installations a highly desirable feature that adds significant long-term value to a property. Significant long-term value to a property. Beyond solar, smart home technology is redefining convenience and control. From automated lighting to intelligent thermostats, these integrated systems offer unparalleled efficiency and comfort. Buyers are actively seeking homes equipped with these features, recognizing the benefits of modern, connected living. The very fabric of construction is evolving with green building practices. Developers are adopting sustainable materials and methods, minimizing environmental impact while creating healthier living spaces. This trend isn't just ethical. It's proving to be economically smart, attracting a new generation of eco-conscious buyers and investors who value long-term resilience and lower operational costs. The ultimate goal: an energy-efficient home. These properties are designed to dramatically reduce energy consumption through superior insulation, efficient appliances, and smart design. Investing in such features not only lowers running costs, but also positions a home favorably in a market increasingly valuing sustainability and a lighter environmental footprint. To succeed in this complex market, astute investors seek tailored property investment consultation. Expert advisors provide insights into local nuances, risk assessment, and growth projections, transforming uncertainty into actionable strategies. Their guidance is invaluable for making informed decisions and avoiding costly pitfalls. Building a diverse real estate portfolio is a cornerstone of smart investing. Spreading investments across different property types, residential, commercial, industrial, and geographical locations, mitigates risk and capitalizes on varied market cycles. This diversification is key to resilience and steady returns in an ever-shifting economic landscape. One of the most powerful strategies remains value-add property renovation. By acquiring underperforming assets and strategically upgrading them, investors can significantly boost property value and rental income. This hands-on approach requires vision and execution, but offers substantial returns, making it a favorite for those looking to actively shape their investment. Behind every successful investment lies meticulous real estate market research. This involves deep dives into local demographics, economic indicators, comparative market analysis, and future development plans. Data-driven insights are the investor's compass, guiding them towards high-potential areas and away from speculative ventures. Finally, for larger projects or specialized ventures, a real estate joint venture can be a game changer. By pooling resources, expertise, and capital, partners can undertake ambitious projects that would be impossible alone. This collaborative model spreads risk and leverages diverse strengths, unlocking greater scale and profitability in complex developments. As we look ahead, the vision of future city development is both inspiring and challenging. Architects and urban planners are reimagining metropolitan areas with smart infrastructure, green spaces, and community-centric designs. These evolving urban landscapes promise efficiency and sustainability, but also demand foresight from investors to identify the next growth hubs and capitalize on the cities of tomorrow. Ultimately, the goal for every buyer and investor is a successful real estate closing. The moment a vision becomes reality. It's the culmination of research, negotiation, and strategic decision-making, marking the beginning of a new chapter and the tangible fruit of astute market navigation. Armed with precise property investment advice, you can transform market volatility into tangible opportunities. Understanding trends, managing risks, and capitalizing on innovation are not just recommendations. They are essential pillars for sustained success in any housing climate. The journey of real estate wealth building is dynamic and rewarding. By mastering the top trends, understanding buyer psychology, and implementing strategic insights, you can not only navigate today's complex market, but truly win in it. Build your future, one smart property decision at a time.